Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to show you the Pack Pretty double doll carrier with the 2 sleeping bags, the 2 pillows, and the accessories for the 18-inch dolls. Before using, make sure you look at all the pieces included. If you're missing anything or have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the video. So what I'm going to do is walk you through the neat features included on this product. First, you'll notice this accessory pocket in the front that you can put any of your doll items in that you'd please. If you open up the front zipper here, this large zipper, you're going to open up to this first compartment in the carrier. What you'll see, you have these 2 straps here with the hook and loop tape where you can put your dolls into. That way when you close the carrier, you'll see them through the window here. On the other side of this front compartment, you'll see that there's some more pockets, some which include 2 doll pillows. You should also see some doll hair scrunchies, and also some doll accessories, which would be the mirror and the brush. Now if you unzip the second compartment, you'll see on one side that there's these large pockets for more doll accessories, and then on the other side, you'll see some doll sleeping bags. If you unroll the doll sleeping bag, you'll find one side that's open where the doll can be put into it and be used for sleeping. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, to please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.